Hey guys, thanks for checking in. I did a little piece the other day about taking out all of the insulation, all the old stuff off the flat roof. That was on Saturday. It's Tuesday night, and we've had a really good couple of days. I've had one of my proteges here with me, Joshua. He's got his own thing going on. He's got his own chippies working for him, but he's been kind enough to take a week out and jump on this with me. It's the sort of thing that you need, sort of like a couple of really able people to jump on with you. So we've got over 100 sheets of OSB down here. It's about, to give you an idea of scale, from the corner where I'm standing, if I stand right on the edge, looking right back over into the far corner, it's something like it's over 30 meters. So that's the best part of that's about 100 feet or so. So it's quite an epic scale. So it's been a hot day. I'm not complaining. At least it's not raining. It was really good fun doing this. It was brilliant. We had all the eco joists, or posi joists as some people call them, and we were able to set those out to suit all of these metric boards. So these OSB boards come up 2397 by 1197, so not 2440 by 1220 as what you get off the shelf. So these suit exactly 600 centimeters, which is fantastic when you're putting 100 sheets down. And then over the top of this, we've got PIR, which is cut to fall. So that's an insulation which has got a taper in it. Instead of putting furring pieces on and forming your falls with timber, I've got a really structural deck here. So this deck is connected all the way through the edges of this timber frame. It's all fixed down right to the head plates, and then it's fixed to the joist, so it's real rigid structure. Anyway guys, it's the football tonight, England versus Colombia. I'm going to get home, fire the barbie up, have a couple of pints. I know it's a weeknight, but who cares, you know, and let's hope for the best, eh? So in the meantime, enjoy your evening. You won't be watching this now because you'll be watching the football, but check back in. It'll be Wednesday morning or something like that when you're checked in on this. And in the meantime, and remember to get over to Skill Builder, because Roger's been here all day. He's been filming loads of stuff. He's got some really exciting stuff coming up, so keep checking in there as well. In the meantime, adios.